Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. First of all, I am going to recap today's calls. First call was by SBI at 402. So this is the daily chart of SBI, and as I can see SBI opened at 400.90 and did not even touch our entry level, which means did not hit entry level. So which means that the first call for today's session rendered it invalid itself in the beginning of it. The second call was by Jindal Steel at 325. So this is the daily chart of Jindal Steel. As you can 325. Yeah, it is Jindal Steel, not JSW Steel. So this is Jindal 325. It went or it opened at 319.90 and went as high as 332, and our entry level was 325. I'll go to 15-minute chart, and this was the entry level. 325 was our entry. Let me see, this is not the one. 319, 325.55, and then it came as low as 324. Okay, and then 331, and it is 332. So three targets reached. So in Jindal Steel our analysis was bang on. Third stock was by JSW Steel at 401. Let me see the opening range here, 396.30 and 413.75. Our opening or our entry was 401. Let me again go to 15-minute chart. 401, 55, 400, 49, 413. As you can see, our stop loss was never in danger. All targets reached or achieved. However you want to frame the sentence, let me change the font size here as well. Fourth and final call was, and this happens to be our live market call. I gave you the level in my Telegram channel as well, and fortunately our analysis was bang on. As you can see here, it went as high as 640 point. Tata Chemicals, yeah, sorry, I'm checking 15-minute chart. It went as high as 643. I'll show you it once it hit the level right here. In within 20 minutes, it was at its daily high or day's high at 643. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me copy this. 6 target achieved, which means that today was a fruitful session, which means again we are able to analyze the stock, though there are some areas where I need to get better so that we can repeat the sequence of hitting targets and being profitable every single day. First stock for tomorrow's session is Cummins India. Let me zoom in. As you can see on the daily chart, you can find number of long wick candle on the levels of 670, and the low of this bearish candle is at 653. There seems to be a lot of demand present at that level. Cummins India tried to break the level support level multiple times, but it fell every single time. And as we can see, each time there is a long wick on the lower side, which indicates buying pressure. The same can be seen here on the hourly chart. If I go to 15-minute chart, let me zoom out a bit. I do not see any relevant support level. Let me zoom out a bit more. Unless the stock goes at around this level, which is at 684, which means we should be having a free pass from 773 to 784. I'm most probably going to select this stock for live trading. I'll update you uh, end of the day, so make sure that you keep on checking the notification of Telegram channel. Second stock for tomorrow's session is Axis Bank. Here on the Axis Bank, this is a support level, and see the range of the candle. It is a long range candle, and the most important thing, it is an extremely bearish candle, and the reason for that is it has a wick on the upper side, which means that it opened here. Buyers tried to push the price up, but seller overcame the buying pressure and managed to close the price almost at day's low, which means that the bearish momentum was present throughout the session once bit of buying pressure was taken out by sellers. Moving to lower time frame, that is hourly chart, we can see there is a pattern called lower lows and lower highs. It is an bearish pattern. Stock is slowly making progression towards breaking the support level. You can see, though the last 15 minute candle has a longer wick, but we have to look the price action collectively by analyzing multiple time frame. We do not have to give importance to one single candlestick. It has to be collection of analysis across time frame. So here, let me go to hourly chart. I have to zoom out a bit. I do not see any relevant support level, and it looks like 600 levels might be broken down. It should come as low as 600, and in that level, if you see, after a bit of consolidation right here, the levels get broken. We are going to see a decent selling which can go as low as 590. So watch out ICICI Bank in tomorrow's session. Third stock for tomorrow's session is Axis Bank. On the daily chart, we can see the support level of 715 getting challenged. The breakout from 764 has propelled interest from lot of sellers, as we can see in the long range bearish candles, and volume is slowly but surely increasing. Going to hourly chart, here also we can see a pattern called lower lows. It is not exactly lower lows and lower highs, but the point of the discussion is stock is making lower lows, which is going to encourage lot of sellers. Again, here do not just pay attention to one single candle. We have to pay our attention to entire price action, and if we can see some bearish momentum below 720, that is the current market price, I can easily see levels around 700 in tomorrow's session. We have to watch out for that. Fourth and final stock I have is Tata Chemicals. After the breakout from around 600, Tata Chemicals has gathered steam. It has gone as high as more than 43 rupees in two trading sessions. That's quite a lot for a stock which averages around 15 to 18 rupees per session. And I see this bullish momentum continuing in tomorrow's session as well. Just see here, there is a long wick candle on the upper side, which indicates that sellers are trying to establish their authority. But look at the next candle. Still, buyers who missed the momentum right here use this opportunity and enter at lower level, and slowly they push the price up. Once again there is a bearish candle, price tried to go down, and again buyers came in and pushed the price up. And I see the sequence of buyers looking at lower level as a good entry point is going to continue in tomorrow's session as well. And if the high of today's session is taken down, which is 643, we can see extreme bullish momentum, and you are going to see long range bullish candle on the back of high volume activity. Based on the analysis for the 4 stocks, these are the levels which I have chalked out. As you can see, there are multiple targets, and if you have to take or you want to take my advice, you can use a trading order called cover order, because it allows you to not only set entry level, target, stop loss, but more importantly it allows you to trail your stop loss. So automatically it will trail the stop loss. You do not have to do anything. You just have to fill the details when you are placing the order and just watch the action from the sideline. That's it. And it will do the work for you. If it hit the target, your order will get square off, and if on the other side if it's the stop loss, you have to bear the loss. So that's the best system for people who are busy, who cannot track the price, or they are working during the market hours. And I will advise you to use a trading order called after market hours. I have also made a video on that particular topic. It's the best order type for working professional, but make sure that you have to go easy on the capital. Just start with extremely minimal capital, and once you become profitable, you can take calculative risk. I hope you understood. Still, if you have any question, you can drop those questions in the comment box of this video. Thank you for watching.